Hello, this is Tyler from Diamond Protech, and today we're here to figure out if Diamond Body is the right coating for you. Diamond Body is our easiest to use coating. It is focusing mostly on gloss, hydrophobic properties, single layer application, and immediate cure time, making it phenomenal for anybody that wants to coat their own vehicle. Diamond Body is available in a standalone bottle or a Diamond Body kit. And inside this complete kit, you get everything you need to do the complete job. Diamond Body Prep, Diamond Body, the applicator and microfiber to complete the coating application, and a pair of large and extra large gloves all come inside this kit. We've already heard me say it, the application process for Diamond Body is extremely easy. What you're gonna do is first you're gonna use Diamond Body Prep, which is specifically designed not just to clean and prep the surface, but also prime the surface to absorb this nano diamond composite coating made in Switzerland. Once you've prepped all the surfaces, you apply Diamond Body, let it dwell for 5 to 10 minutes where it begins to flash. You'll know it's beginning to flash when you can see small micro beads or sweating on the surface. Once you see that, you simply level out the surface with the provided microfiber towel, and this vehicle is immediately ready to go outside no matter what the weather. In order to find the complete installation process, you can find the instructions right here on the box. I hope that was very helpful on figuring out if Diamond Body is the right coating for you. Grab yours today and protect your vehicle.